Hey guys, it's been a while. Been taking some downtime. I hope you have too. A few little getaways here and there. Today we're having a last minute dinner party. I ran to the store, grabbed a few things, and I'd love for you to join me, so let's go. For the main course, everyone's gonna have a grits base in their bowl. I really like a yellow corn grits, but of course white is always a great option. And from there, we're kind of gonna do it like Chipotle. We're gonna have some roasted yellow and sweet onions, roasted peppers that get very sweet and delicious, and sausages, scallops, and barbecued shrimp. So everyone can kind of mix and match, choose what they want, pile it on, and it's absolutely delicious. I'll keep an eye on those. It'll be about a 25-30 minutes, and I'll toss about halfway through. I want them to get caramelized and a little charred, and they will be absolutely caramelized. Now for the grits, it's so easy because this recipe can be doubled or tripled or quadrupled. You can make a huge amount for 12, 15 people if you're having that many people over for dinner. But what we're gonna start with is for a serving of 4, just a pat of butter, like a tablespoon of butter, and a cup of yellow corn grits. And I'm going to cook the grits in the butter just to get that butter flavor into all of it. It's kind of a roasted butter flavor. And then in goes 2 cups of milk. I really love a whole organic milk, but if you have guests that don't do dairy, you can do any kind of milk that you desire, or just stick with chicken stock. I think the milk makes the grits very creamy. All right, then 2.5 cups of water, a tablespoon of salt, and a half tablespoon of pepper. Bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for about a half hour, checking it periodically, making sure it doesn't get clumpy. A restaurant that we went to this summer had these wonderful grits with fresh corn in it. It's cooked corn, and it gave it just a little bit of texture. It was so good, so that's what we're gonna do today. Just chucking 1 ear of corn. I'd say 1 ear of corn per cup of grits. And then I'm going to do this very simply. I'm gonna wash the silk. That's all this. Wash the silk off of it while the corn's still wet. Then I'm gonna wrap it in a paper towel, pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and it'll be perfect. The grits are about halfway finished with simmering. And so now I'm gonna put in the corn. It's fully cooked, but it's just gonna be so integrated into the grits, and it just adds so much sweetness. Now for the protein, we have scallops, shrimp, and sausages. I really love these Applegate sausages because they don't have nitrates and they're organic and very wholesome, I think. These are chicken and apple and fire roasted red pepper. And what I'm gonna do is they're pre-cooked, so I'm just gonna slice them, and then you saute for 10 minutes or less in a skillet, a dry skillet. And so that takes care of the sausages. The scallops, I will show you how to easily cook them here. And then the shrimp, I'm gonna barbecue. For now, I'm going to salt and pepper shrimp and the scallops. The grits can be reheated and rehydrated a little bit. Add a little water and rehydrate them before you're ready to serve them. I'm just gonna keep them on the cooktop here for just a little while. And then the grilled peppers and onions can be served at room temperature. So it just makes it really easy, kind of last minute throw together. This is, in a way, it's kind of a mock-up just to show you what I'm doing, but this is the grits. They're so delicious. And then the different toppings, the grilled peppers and onions, the different proteins, and our guests will be able to mix and match and put together their own special concoctions. So, which makes it fun. Not everybody has the same eating requirements or tastes. Some people who are keto, which we have one tonight, will just enjoy maybe just a little bit more of the proteins. Easy centerpiece are orchids, and then they're going to last several months in the house. I think that it's a great, easy thing that I purchased at Home Depot. I was going to take these out of the containers and put them in here with moss. If I had more time, I would, because I think it would be pretty. But you know what? I'm just going to go with the containers that I got at Home Depot. I think it's going to be cute. Just to stick with the white. And it's fresh and summery. I like to be prepared with some fun conversation starters that can get the party off to a good start. I even enjoy asking questions of people I've known for years about their childhood, things that were kept secret. It gives an opportunity to deepen connection, as well as for guests who don't know each other to get to know each other better as well. The easiest dessert ever is wonderful vanilla ice cream with a little rich coffee, just double what you normally do, or espresso over the top, and some kind of a bagged pre-made cookie, and that makes everybody so happy. Thank you for spending time with me today. As always, it was a pleasure, and I hope to see you again soon.